Hey guys, good morning. वाह दीपक, इतना आवाज। पागल हो गया। Am I audible to you guys? Can you please confirm the chat? Yes, screen is visible to you. ఇది నెట్ ఇదేనా? ఏది నెట్ ఇదేనా? Yeah, please open your notebooks. So this class is good or that class only good? Bad. Why? अरे, so sad. Still some people are not paid the money. Still how many are there left in the class? Not paid full amount. Give me 1 minute. Please pay your fee as soon as possible, ma. Okay. Yeah. Whenever you open new notebook, whenever you open new notebook as a fresh, you need to run, two things. One is the packages, and second one is what? Read the data. That things you need to do it again. Whenever you open a notebook as a fresh, you need to run two things. One is packages and another one is the read the data. So now today date is, so we are working on this 12/12/2023. 12th. Hey, today is Rajnikant birthday. Huh? You're asking also. All the celebrate birthday with either two only, na? Shah Rukh Khan is November 2nd. Chiranjeevi, August 22nd. That is Pawan Kalyan 2nd, September 2nd. Those who are having the birth date with second is, that means you will be grow very much in the life. 22nd. That is. Yeah, Deepak has second. You know, Nagarjuna is 29th. That is 33. Very good. But don't believe the numerology and astrology, okay? Believe all on yourself. Just read that. Two things. Fast, very fast. In the last class, we completed the bar plot using the matplotlib, correct? Everyone is good at this, right? Now put side heading bar plot using Seaborn. Bar plot using Seaborn. Bar plot using Seaborn. Bar plot using Seaborn. Hey Sai, Kiran, for a long time. No see. I'm not seeing in the evening also. We're not coming in the evening. Gone. That batch is over or what? File path and visa DF. In order to draw a bar chart, you require a frequency table, right? That we learn. In order to draw a bar chart, we required frequency table. Frequency table. That's why what we have done from the continent column, we created one more data frame. We created one more data frame having each label frequency. Correct? That is nothing but we have done Asia is equal 16,000 K plus, Africa is equal to some amount, like that. We have done a data frame. Now you need to create a extra data frame. That means frequency table. If you want to draw bar chart using matplotlib, the above things are required. The above things are required if you want to draw a bar chart using matplotlib. Understood? So whatever we done yesterday, that means you have a column is there. From the column you created a one more data frame, right? And from the data frame you are saying that it is called frequency table, and from that you plotted a bar plot. That is used for only matplotlib. But if you want to do Seaborn is directly will take the column. Seaborn will take directly the original column from original data frame. That means extra drilling is not required. What is the original data frame name? Visa DF, correct? Visa DF dot head. Suppose I'm going to which column you are concentrating? Continent. That means this continent column name is enough and this Visa DF name is enough. If you want to plot using Seaborn, original data frame is enough, original column is enough. No need to do value counts and no need to do create data frames like this. This is not required. So let's do that. SNS dot count plot. What will be there, ma? Count plot. SNS dot count plot. SNS is nothing but Seaborn. Import Seaborn as SNS. SNS dot count plot. Apply shift to tab. What is asking? It is asking the data name and it is asking the column name. Data name and asking the column name. What is your data name? Visa DF. What is the column name? Continent. Run this and you will get the output. Simple. From the original column, original data frame and original column. No need to extra filter. Like Asia is equal 16,000, Africa is equal 5,000. That filter is not required. Directly from the original column only you can draw this Visa DF and continent. Visa DF and continent. Automatically it is saying X label is what? Continent. Y label is what? Count. Everyone understood this? Are you getting the difference between matplotlib and seaborn? In order to, the matplotlib will not work directly on this. Matplotlib, if you do like this, it will not work. Matplotlib requires Matplotlib bar chart requires three things. Three values. One is X, okay, X axis, and another one is Y axis, and third one is data name. X axis should be categorical column. Y axis should be numerical column. What we have done? From the original data frame, visa df, okay, the original column is continent, and we created another table which has labels and its count. Correct? And that is this. We created this extra. We created this. By using this, we draw a bar chart using matplotlib. But seaborn is not required this. Seaborn require only two things. Original data frame, original column name. That's all. Seaborn requires two values. One is data, original data frame, and another one is column X. That is called original column name. That means visa df and continent is enough. No extra thing. No extra thing. No extra thing. No extra thing. Have you everyone understood, right? Very good. Again, this is not in the order. Some is up in there, some is down is there. It is order in the ABCD, I think, right? ABCD or what? How it is look like? Not ABCD. Now, it is not in the order. So we'll make this as order. For that, what happen? If you apply the shift tab, there's the order is there. What is there? Order. So which order you want to provide? First, which one you want to provide? You want to provide Africa? Provide Africa first. So create an order. Order equal to list. Create a list. What is the list? First Asia I want to provide. And next, comma, Europe I want to provide. And comma, what is the next height? North America. So next I want to provide South America. Next I want to provide Africa. Next I want to provide Oceania. I provide the order. Now here I will give that order equal to order. Order is your argument name and this is order you provided here. Or you want to confuse, just provide the labels and here you provide the labels. Run this, I'll see the order came. Understood? Which order you want to provide? First Asia, next what you want to provide? Europe, next North America, next South America, next Africa, next Oceania. So here you need to provide the order. You note on this. But this order you should not provide it by manually. This order you need to provide it by the code. You know what is the code that? The code is Visa DF square bracket continent dot value counts and here dot keys. Dot keys is nothing but this is in the order, right? This is the order and this is nothing but your new order keys. And instead of providing this, instead of providing manually, these labels, we directly write these values. We remove this list and we provided this. Understood? Now these also same. Both are same. Both are same. So first we provided directly, when we provided directly, the order is mismatch. So second step, what we are taken? We provide the order of the labels we provided manually. And third one is manually is not good. And directly from the value counts, keys is providing the same answer, right? That we learn. Now you see again. First we provided directly, yes or no? Visa, DF and continent. Is it giving order? No. That's why what you are keeping now? Order. But the order is provided by manually. We should not write the manually. The same order should get by some Python code. How we will get that? By using this. By using this is the same order we'll get. Now that we have written here. Yeah, note down this. So this is yesterday we have done this. You are practicing, right? Everything every day. Yeah, what you will do? If it is overlap, Suresh. Now it is overlapping. What we need to do avoid the overlap? Change the figure size, right? Yeah. Matplotlib included in Seaborn also. Don't think like that. Seaborn is separate, Matplotlib is separate. Sometimes we can include both also. So now what happened here? PLT dot PLT. PLT requires PLT is related to whom? Matplotlib. PLT dot figure bracket figure size. How much we provided? 10, 5, huh? 10, 5. 10, 5. That is. And same story X label, Y label automatically is coming. X label, Y label. Just provide the title. Just provide the title. PLT dot title. PLT dot title. What the title? Bar chart. Bar plot. And PLT dot save figure. Bar chart. Continent. Continent. Bar using CBON. Using CBON. I need to avoid this extra write-ups. So PLT dot show. PLT dot show. Will run. Now the figure saved in your local. The figure saved in local. Continent bar CBON. And this is the CBON plot. Do this. X-axis label in vertical. What is the meaning of that, Arun? One vertically. Yeah, orientation. Orientation. Orient. Do that orient. You're seeing that orientation? Yeah, check the orient. Like that only you can check. If you want to change the colors also, single color of the elements, you can provide the color also. Everything will be there here. So method 1 using matplotlib, method 2 using CBON. Matplotlib required extra filter, extra data frame. CBON is not required extra data frame directly from the original data frame from the original column. So just write here method 1. So method 1, what we have done? Method, yeah, both. This one. Method 1. Always remember matplotlib extra data frame. Okay. Extra frequency table. But CBON is not required extra one. So which is good? CBON is good or matplot is good? Colorful. CBON colorful. That's why you are liking. Data frame banana. CBON is good then. Same array. Notice coming. What the default is there? Same coming. VRH. Only has what vertical. This is usually input based on the type of the input variable, but it can be resolved ambiguity between both and x and by numeric when plotting the wide form of data. So it is saying that you need to have a one more y, not only x. You need one more y, then only it will understand that. Provide. That only is saying that. We have provided only one column name right here. Continent. If you provide the y also, then only it will understand. X and y will be rotated. Only x is rotated, it can't rotate x. So that's why orient is not working. The method one. We'll do that, don't worry. We'll rotate that. So method one, I've taken, this is the first. I'm writing the method one more. This is the first. And then we are drawing the plot. Then we are drawing the plot. This is the plot. And this is about the plot. Agree with me, everyone? This is the method one using matplotlib. Using matplotlib. In the above, you need to draw this. In the above, you need to provide this. This is a all together. This is all together. This is a reading the data. Reading the data. First step, correct? And next step is what happened? Creating a frequency table. Create a frequency table. Create a frequency table. And then you are plotting. So this is required. If you want to do the matplotlib, this entire thing will be required. Reading the data, create a frequency table, plot. These three things are required. Yeah. Reading the data, create a frequency table, and plot. Done? Bhairavi, photo copy done? Next, using method to Seaborn. Method 2. Seaborn. Seaborn is required first what? Read the data is necessary. Correct? Read the data is necessary. But read the data after directly what happened now directly? Plot only. Directly plot. No need to create extra. No need to create extra data frame. Directly plot. Direct plot. This is about Seaborn. This is using Seaborn. Read the data and directly plot. Visa DF we are taking, correct? That only Visa DF we are taking. Column name is called continent column. Directly we are taking. Two methods are very, very important, ma. Manager which will have that only it is. Manager. मैनेजर के मर्जी से काम करेगा. My juniors will feel like that I am a workaholic. Do you also feeling same thing? Not alcoholic, workaholic. Workaholic. They're talking among themselves. I'm a workaholic person. Yeah, I'm a workaholic person, but I'll never pressure them. Even though they'll not do also, I will do their work. Sometimes they feel very bad and they will learn. They'll start learn. Then method 3. One more method is there, ma. So we'll take the value counts directly from the series. Directly from the series. Directly from the series. Count equal to, write it count equal to count dot plot. Count dot plot. Kind equal to bar. Directly will get like this. Count from the value counts. Method 3 using value counts. Using value counts. Using value counts. This you can put some axis, ma. Just type Ax dot bar label. Oh, bar label is not there or what? Bar label. Ax dot containers. Square bracket 0. Bar label. Label spelling LABLG or what? LABL. आ गया numbers. वो numbers आता है like this. Okay. So this is, you need to replace this as Ax. You need to count the bar label. The bar label and each bar label is the containers of 0. Axis. X is nothing but axis. Ax is nothing but axis. So if you want to get the numbers, you need to do like this. Bar label Ax dot container square bracket 0. I told you, right? Plotting is a different subject. Okay, and it will not finish in 1 month, 2 months. Okay, different plots are different kind of things. And no one knows all the things. It is just a time process. Based on the project, based on the requirement, you will learn that, you will apply that. Ax bar label, Ax container 0. And again, if you want to avoid this, what do you write, ma? PLT dot show. PLT dot show. So 3 methods. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Ax is nothing but axis. Ax is nothing but axis. You take only these two. Don't run this. Don't run this. You get print only Ax. What you are getting? Axis. That is nothing but Ax. Okay. That is nothing but Ax. Axis is a singular and axis is a plural or what? So 3 methods you have done. This is using value counts. So using value count, done. Venu, your friend or your brother came today morning. Morning demo class. Relation. Same village. He stays with you only. Continent, value counts. Next. So these are the three ways, ma. Method 3, this is. Method 1, method 2, method 3. Whichever you want, you can do that. Next, two-sided adding pie chart. Pie chart. So pie chart, everyone knows the pie chart, right? Pie chart is taking the percentages, right? Let's take the value count first. So these are value counts, correct? Inside the bracket, there's a normalize will be there. What will be there? Normalize. Normalize equal to true. And now what is coming? Percentage is coming. And this is the which table now? What is the table name? Polo, what is the table name? वो frequency table वाला है. वो table क्या है? नाम क्या है उधर? हाँ, relative frequency. अम्मा, thank God. The relative frequency है. What is the name is called? Relative frequency. Relative frequency say we will create the pie chart. Correct. 66% is this, 50% is this side, 25% like this. Which one will come? Relative frequency. This is nothing but a relative frequency. Now can quickly get that keys and values. That is, so keys and then values. Values is no bracket. And then this is nothing but keys. And this is nothing but values. Values and create a data frame. PD dot data frame. Now zip of keys comma values. And then columns equal to continent and is nothing but relative frequency. Relative frequency. Can do round off. Can we do round off like this? No, the round off is not working here because that is a list. The data frame. You should be very fast to create the data frames, ma. Very good, Nikita. Frequency spelling. You should be very fast to do this. plt.py, plt.py, shift tab, taking X and labels. X and labels now. X and labels. Let X equal to values. आ गया diagram. X equal to values. Values is nothing but numbers. Values is nothing but numbers. Keys is nothing but labels. Keys is nothing but labels. plt.py. Values. Values is nothing but what more? Numbers, right? And keys. Now labels equal to that is nothing but keys. आ गया? Asia, Oceania and everything आ गया? Note down this. Keys and values. X equal to values. If you want to know where you want to keep that, shift tab that we already learned, and then you need to go to here. What is XMA? One dimensional array. That nothing but sizes. And what is the labels next? Just go down. What are the labels? A sequence of strings. Okay, sequence of strings. That's why in the labels position we provided what? Keys, and X position what? Values. Now in the what you need to write? A number. Number you need to write. And that is very, very important, ma. You need to remember the name is called auto PCT. What is it called? Auto PCT. If auto PCT is not there, numbers will not display. If auto PCT enabled, numbers will display. Remember that. This is applicable for machine learning also. Whenever you do plot anything, if you want to apply the numbers, who will help, ma? Auto PCT. Remember this. Auto PCT. Auto PCT will helpful for about the number. Very good. So auto PCT. So it is should be in the string format. It should be in the string format, percentage format. Let's come to here. Let's come to here. Auto PCT equal to in the percentages, ma. In the percentage, you need to provide the percentages like this. In the percentages. In the percentages, how many decimals you want to provide? 66.7, 66.8, that means 0.2. 0.2. Suppose 66 is a percentage, okay? 66 how much? Percentage. Sir, I don't want 66, I want 66.2. 66.76. That means after point, how many decimals? So how many you need to provide? 2 you need to provide. 2 you need to provide. It is the F string. F string, that is one more percentile. Okay. In order to get this is a format, this is a fixed format. The format should be in the percentage between percentile. Okay, this is a percentile and percentile. How many decimals you want to provide after point? Tell me. 2 or 3? 2. So that's why you need to write 0.2. Then what happens if you write 0.2? You are getting error. What is saying that? Unsupported format character percentile. Now that's why what you are writing, extra percentile you need to write. It is a format. It is a format. 0.2. Now percentile I am writing. Again what I am getting? Again that is F you need to write. 0.2 F. It is a format, ma. It's the format. No need to worry about that. Just remember the format. 0.2. 2 decimals. 2 decimals. You note down this. That is called F string, ma. So next what happen? Again, you want to avoid all the write-offs. What you need to do? Do it, show. Do it, show. PLT dot show. You want to make a edge on this. You want to make an edge on this. There is a one more thing is there. Shift tab karo. Shadow, shadow. What is shadow? Shadow will come. Shadow equal to true. Shadow is coming. Shadow will come. Shadow will come. Now, if you want to rotate that 90 degrees or 45 degrees, your RCI is there. RCI you want to rotate in 90 degrees. There's one more thing is called triangle will be there. Triangle. Triangle. किधर है triangle? Here. Triangle will be there. Triangle. Triangle. How much triangle I want to provide? 90 degrees, suppose. Then what will come? ACI coming here. 90 degrees. You want to provide, suppose 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Then ACI coming here. How you want to rotate? Rotate that is. That is called triangle. And the radius is nothing but, you know that. Suppose 0.5 is the radius. Very small. Radius called default, how much is there? 1 is there. If you want to give 2, very big. Very big. So default, how much is there? 1 is there. Default, how much is there? 1 is there. If you want to put here bomb, what happen? You'll get 6 pizzas. Okay. Everyone takes 1 pizza. That's called bomb. That is nothing but explode. Explodes. What is there here? Explodes will be there. How many parts it will do? How many parts are there, ma? 6 are there, right? How many pizzas are there? Pieces. 6 pieces are there. So 6 values you need to provide in a list. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. How many values you need to provide? 6 values. Then 6 pieces will come. Tell me, Deepak, which piece you want? Tell me, big one or small one? Jayant? If you provide 0.1, if you provide 1 here, that piece will go on somewhere, North America. Okay, it's called explode, okay? Explode. It is called explode. Because what is the number that is? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, right? First one is Asia. Second one is Europe. Third one is North America. That's why here the North America one, North America will go on. 0, 1, To order. Order it will take. The keys order. Print the keys. Print the keys. Tell me, Utkarsh, which piece you want? North America? I hate pizzas, burgers. Who likes pizzas, burgers? You like? Everyone likes. Oh, I hate pizzas and burgers. Want to Europe? I hate pizza, I hate burger, I hate mandi, all these things. But my wife's like everything. Then this is called pie chart. You done? Very good. So next, you have taken this story. Which story? This one. This one. This one you have taken, right? This is for continent column. This is for which column? Continent column, we have taken value counts and we have taken the keys, we have taken the count, we created the data frame. If I want to do for case status, what you will do? If I want to do for case status, what you will do? Which one you will change? Only this position will change, right? Continent will replace as case status. Continent will replace as case status. This also replace as case status. And then suppose you'll get like this, case status coming like this. And of course, you need to change this column values also. Correct? Column values also will change. This is nothing but case status. Case status you will do. But look at the board. How many categorical columns are there? How many categorical columns are there? Huh? Yesterday in the last class we separated, no? Categorical, numerical. How many are there? Take that code. Categorical columns code. Only we separated categorical and numerical, not for time pass. We separated, right? Last class. Categorical columns. Cat equal to, that we have done, right? What we have done? I, that is for I in DICT of visa df dot d types prime, and then what you have taken? If dict of visa dot d types I equal to O, then cat, these are the cat columns. This we done in the last class. This we did. Okay, these are the data types. These are data types. Okay, data types. Data types. Data types. Now I want to get the data frames for all these columns. Fatafat. I want to get all the data frame using for loop. This is the code is fixed code, right? Continent by instead of content, what is changing? Case ID. Next education of employee. Next has job experience. Next require job training. What is changing? What is modifying? Now, how many lines are there? Is there 4 lines are there? 4 lines into how many? 99 into 4, how many? 36 lines you will write. That's the bad way of writing, right? That's why what we will do? Create a loop. Create a loop. Do it. Create a loop. Make a generalized statement. How can you make this as a generalized statement? First think about that. How can you make this as a generalized statement? This entire thing becomes a generalized statement like this. What is changing? Continent. So this is what will happen. I. This is also what will happen. I. This is also what will happen. I. But names also should be generalized, right? This is not continents. This is give as a value. Value 1. This give as value 2. Value 2. And this is nothing but data. Nothing but data. And this is what happened. Value 1. Generalized thing. And this is nothing but a value 2. Now instead of continents, you provide directly I here. Corresponding that column name will come. Continent hai to continent hota, case ID to case ID hota, like that. Now this is the data. Now just suppose I equal to continent. I equal to continent. Now what is the answer? Okay. Suppose I equal to case status. Okay, case status. I equal to next, what is there? Full time position. I equal what happened now? Full time position. Okay, full time position. This is kind of a generalized. Can I write? Because in the columns position, the I we have written, I is nothing but whatever you take it, that I only will column as column. Are you getting? Same thing only. Visa DF I value counts. First one is value 1. Second one is value 2. Now instead of taking I like this, what you need to take now here? For loop. What you will take? For loop. Are you following with me? Can you please confirm the chat? Saurav? Good? Any doubts? Money? Good, right? Now instead of I, what you will keep now? Tell me, Ujma, instead of I, what will keep now? For I in, where are there? I is where? Cat. Categorical columns. Now print data. Print data. All the columns will come. But the wrong thing we have done is this EZ wala one. EZ wala one is actually an ID. So we don't want ID. So that's why cat 1 se start ho jayega. Remove that case IDs. Now tell me, first one is what? Continent ho gaya. Next one is what? Education ho gaya. Next one is a job experience, request job training, region of employment, unit of wage, full-time position, case status. Okay, everything? Understood, ma? So this way you need to create the logics. Now please note down this. If anyone had doubt, ask me. If anyone doubts, ask me. If any doubts, please ask me. And this kind of things we have done many times, right? For loop and all these things. So you need to get the logics very quickly. At least you should understand. If you're not able to do is okay, but at least you should understand what we are doing. Because these kind of approaches we have done many times. Now here my interest is not printing the data. I want to save in my local all the data frames. I want to save in the local. How can we save the local generally a data frame? Suppose this is a continent data is there. How we are saving? Continent data to CSV, right? To CSV. Then bracket. Then we are giving the file name, right? So provide the file name. Continent dot CSV we are providing. Now the same approach here, what we have to provide here? Data to CSV. What I have needed here? Data to CSV. Data to CSV. But this time the data should be title, name also should be generalized, right? Name also should be generalized. How can we write the generalized now? Dot CSV dot format of I. Now I is what? First one. Continent. Second I is what? Education. Third I is what? Job experience. So everything will come automatically here. I dot CSV. I means what? Continent dot CSV. I means job experience dot CSV. With that file name, corresponding data, corresponding file name will save. Understood? Shall we run this? It will work or fail? Tell me. It will work or fail? Avesh Khan. Pakka? Shall we run? Okay. Okay, it is ran. Now go to here. Go to October batch and EDA Python. आ गया. Continent आ गया. Case status आ गया. Education आ गया. Full time आ गया. Job experience आया. Region experiment. Region everything आ गया. It is working. It is working. Any doubts in this? If you are not able to understand, please ask me, ma. Please ask me. Suresh is good. Arun is good. Srushti is good. Utkarsh is good. If you are not able to understand, please ask me. What about Nagarani, Sabita, Nikita? Anudip is good. This is our original code. We are just modifying to make as a generalized one. Murali, understanding? You are printing data output outside, Sabita. You need to print inside. You need to print inside. Inside. For loop outside, you are printing. You know, right? What happened? If you do like this. Last value will print. It will take 2-3 minutes time, don't worry, but make sure that you understood this concept. Done? Good, right? Yes. Now what happen if I want to create a separate folder for this? I want to put that in folder. This. I'm deleting. I'm deleting. I'm creating a separate folder here. The folder is called data frames. Data frames output. Suppose data frames output. Everything should be in the data frames output now. Everything should be in the data frames output. What you will take? You will take the entire path, right? You will take the entire path. Want to keep separate folder and the file name, file path equal to this. You will keep double slash, create a folder, and get the path. Create a folder and get the path. Create the folder and get the path. This is the entire path. The entire path. Now this path, this is the file path, correct? I'm just checking where it really going inside or not. This is the file path and plus I'm writing this one. I'm writing this one. So this is my idea. This is my idea. It will work or fail. If I write this only, it will saving where is Python file is existed. Now created a separate folder. So I'm adding this extra full path. I'm writing this. Now it works or fail. This is my idea. It will works or fail. Tell me. Works or fail? This is a full path, no? What is the file path? Full path inside, and this is the file name dot extension. That only, now our idea. What is our idea generally? File location plus file name dot CSV. Now file location is nothing but entire location is file path plus the slash file name dot CSV is coming automatically, that we already checked previous. Now I'm thinking it will work. What do you say? Which one? Slash I have written here. At the end of the path. Here I have already given the end of the path. Here. Here, extra slash. Extra slash I provided. So let's see it will work or fail. Let's see. So instead of this, writing this, I've done that. Yes, it is worked. Now again, all these columns, all the paths. This. We know that I need to take full path, correct? I take the full path. I added extra. This is the full path. This is entire the full path. Inside the full path, I added these data sets. That's all. No? And this entire thing full path. The entire full path. Any doubts in this? Creating a separate folder and adding this. These all are developer skills, ma. You will get learned slowly, but get the idea how we are progressing. First, we are taking this. This will save the data files. This will save data frames where Python file existed, right? Where Python file existed. But this method, this will save the data frames in a separate folder. In a separate folder. That's why you give an entire path. EDA Python till data frames output. Write this first. Everyone write like this. Output and double slash at the last. Take the entire, create a folder and take the entire path. Create the folder, take the entire path. What you do, ma? Create a folder, take the entire path, and add double slash. Add double slash at the end also. At the end. Then concatenate with your file name. These are the 4 steps we have done. We create a folder, we taken the entire path, and we added what? Double slash at the last. And then we concatenated that file path plus your file name. File name, how we are taking? Dot format of I. The file name should be created automatically based on the categorical column name, right? That's why we provided what? I. For I in categorical column, file path, that I dot CSV. Now do these two and let me know whether its output is coming in your laptop or not. If you are not able to get come here, I will show you. But don't be sit idle. Not coming. Backslash karo na. Come here. With this, we completed the categorical column analysis. Arun got it, Savita got it. Do it, ma, do it. Once you got only, generally you leave the class. Otherwise, don't leave the class. Create a folder and do it. We can do with F string also. Again, that will be a little more burden for you today. There are so many ways to do this. But at least get this output first. All the data frames. Nikita got it, Anudip got it. Samit also got it, Suresh got it. Utkarsh got it. How many got here? Raise your hands. Very good. Great. Priyanka Kumari also got it. Now, what about plots? Can we get all the bar plots, all the pie charts for all the 9? Not like line by line, side by side. Side by side. PLT dot subplot. There is a concept is called explore today. PLT dot subplots. PLT dot subplots. PLT dot subplots. Multiple subplots. Multiple subplots. PLT dot subplot. If you are interested, explore this. Otherwise, anyhow, I will teach. Subplots. We have already 9 data frames, right? Like that 9 bar plots. Like the 9 pie chart. And that should become like this. Not by side, or down by down, like this. We need to get like this. You need to divide entire plot into like this. So this is a plot. You need to divide your plot like this. Like this you need to divide. This is one. And this is another one. This is another one. So one column here, one pie chart. Here one pie chart. Here one pie chart. Everything. Like that. Here one. Here one. Here one. Here one. Here one. Here one. Here line. Like that you need to get. The concept is called PLT dot subplots. PLT dot suppose here is a W3 school. PLT dot subplot. One comma, two comma, two. 2 comma 2 comma 2 subplots. 1 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 comma 3. Like that you will get. You see here? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. See like this. What is the matrix of this? Only this. 2 by 2, right? So PLT dot So PLT dot subplot 2 comma 2. Okay. 2 comma 2, how many combinations will come? So 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. And next 3. Again 3. Next 4. Again 4. Like 4 charts you should come here. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 3 comma 3 means 9, right? 3 comma 3 means 9 possibilities will come. So that is your answer. 3 comma 3 comma 3 and like that 9 will come. Every underplot you need to write your code. You need to write your code here. You need to write to code here. So this is categorical 1 column code. This is categorical 2 column code, categorical 3 column code, categorical 4. How many categorical columns is there? 9. 9 will come like that. So that is called subplots. That is called subplots. Just write. Just write. All 9 codes you need to write. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 4. It is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All will come like this. 1 comma 2 comma 3. So every column plot there. You need to write that piece of code there. Think about the logic. Just implement that. Just give a try. If you're not get, I will help you. Okay. These are they called subplots. Very good, ma. So this is complete about the categorical column analysis, and tomorrow we'll start about the numerical analysis. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the session. Have a good day.